Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using the Parsehub web scraping tool. Let's get started. Open Parsehub and click on the Projects tab on the left side of the screen to create a new project. Navigate to the right side menu and select Options. In the Options menu, click on the Advanced section and select the Network tab. Click Settings next to Connections and choose Manual Proxy Configuration. Select your desired protocol and enter the proxy IP address and port. Once the data is entered, click OK to save the settings. If you're using a free proxy, your IP address will change at this point. For a private proxy, the application will ask for authorization. Enter your username and password to complete the connection. That's it. The proxy setup in Parsehub is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.